Today, I'm going to be talking about orchid farming. Orchids are beautiful flowers that are popular all over the world. They can be grown in a variety of climates, but they do require some special care. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to start your own orchid farm. To start an orchid farm, you will need a few things. First, you will need to choose a location. Orchids prefer a warm, humid climate with bright, indirect light. If you live in a colder climate, you may need to grow your orchids indoors. Second, you will need to choose the right type of orchid for your climate and market demand. There are many different types of orchids, so it's important to do your research and choose a variety that will do well in your area. Third, you will need to purchase some orchid plants. You can buy orchid plants from a nursery or online. When choosing plants, look for healthy plants with good root systems. Orchids require regular watering and fertilization. Water your orchids when the potting mix is dry to the touch. Fertilize your orchids every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Orchids also need high humidity. You can increase the humidity around your orchids by placing them on a pebble tray or by misting them regularly. Check for pests and diseases. Orchids are susceptible to a number of pests and diseases. If you see any pests or diseases on your orchids, treat them immediately. Orchid farming can be a profitable business, but it does require some special care. By following the tips in this video, you can increase your chances of success. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.